Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how to flush sludge out of a radiator from different points of entry on the radiator. All we need is a radiator tail, two 15mm compression cap ends and an hose pipe. So we'll be flushing from that point there, that point of entry there where the bleed valve is, the other side there, guys, and finally that side there. The reason being why I'll be flushing it from both sides is that because sludge can settle at any point or any area inside the radiator, so flushing it just from one side isn't going to be good enough. So it's always best to flush from both sides, guys. Right. So guys, as you can see, the radiator's been flushed from every point. Vent caps back on. They're going to have no issues with this radiator now. All cleaned and all ready to go back on the wall. If you like to support the channel, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.